So you have a problem of this type. The question says calculate the efficiency of a Carnot engine that operates between 440 and 560 Kelvin. So for this one here represents the temperature of the code, which is 440. This one here represents the temperature of the hot, which is 560 Kelvin. According to the Carnot's formula, here we are going to have efficiency equals to 1 minus Tc over Th. So Tc over Th. So the next thing is Th now. What are you going to have? This in this, give you this times this. That will be Th minus this in this, 1 times this, Tc. So here we go. What is our Th? 560 minus 440 all divided by 560. So if it's 2, 1, 4. Now, don't forget that you are expressing it in percentage. In percentage, you are going to have 0.214 times 100. So what would that give you? That will give you 21.4%. So that is the efficiency of the Carnot engine. That is what you are being asked to calculate there.